Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to see and cancel sent friend request on Facebook. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Facebook. After that, we need to click on menu. After that, click friends here. And here you can find and accept friend request or cancel. This is a friend request on Facebook. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.